Hey guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video we are going to discuss how you can add an image module in your Divi WordPress website. So let's log in into our demo website, and after that let's go on the front page. Now let's enable page builder. As we know, Divi has its own page builder as like Elementor. Okay, now if you want to add image module, before that we can add a new section, and after that now we can select a row. For example, I can select here 2 columns. Okay, now here you can see plus. Now let's click here, and after that search for image. Okay, this is Divi image module. After that now let's add an image, for example this one. Okay, and after that if you want to link this image, just click here, and here you can add a link. Now there is also lightbox option, you can enable it. And after that, okay, now let's go to design tab. Here you can see image alignment. By default this is left aligned. You can move your image, and after that here you can see sizing, force full width. You can also reduce image width. Here you can see these are various options. Okay, here you can see now image alignment is working, as before that image width was 100%. Okay, after that there are spacing options. You can enable space below this image, and after that you can also add some spacing, for example padding and margin wherever you want to move. If you will add some margin from the left, here you can see image will move from left to right. In this way you can add padding, and after that there is border option. Now you can round the image borders. You can add value, for example 200. Here you can see now image borders are in the round shape, and you can also add a border. Just you can increase the value, and you can select the border color, for example 10. Here you can see now there is a border around the image, and let's remove this. Now if you want to add a border on only one side, for example from top, so now let's scroll down, and here we can add border color and add a value. Now you can see only on the top side there is a border. And here you can see these are some options. You can add a border style, box shadow, so just add a shadow. And after that scroll down, there are animation options, so you can animate your images. Here you can see how animation works. And after that in the advanced tab you can also add custom CSS. Then click yes. So after that click 3 dots, then save it. So this is the way to use image module in Divi WordPress website.